Alright guys, we're headed up to the club this morning. It's Friday morning. It's in the low 40s. So it should be a good pretty morning this morning. We're gonna do some soloing and some bracing this morning just to see see where everybody stands. We just got over. I didn't run last weekend. It's been 2 weeks since we've had them out because just been battling about at a kennel cough for the last about week and a half, but they've cleared up, and so we're gonna go put them down and see, make sure everything's going good and all. Competition is actually tomorrow, so it's the main reason I want to put them down for a little bit. We're not gonna run them long. Don't want to wear them out before tomorrow, but I do want to know that they're in good health, and so we're gonna give them a test run before tomorrow. And so I'll cut it back on when we get there, but everything should go good, and we'll turn it back on and get a jump. First dog I got down this morning is Huck. Huck was born August 2012, and he's takes Black Rock and Star Sarah Jane, and he's a Derby for this year. Sounds like he's about got one jumped here. We'll and I'll cut it back on as they cross across these roads. Alright, Hook's brought him across the field. He got across the road before I could get here. So he's going down into the branch here. He had to really gear it down, I guess. It's a dry cold this morning. So I've had to really slow her down to run it. But he's starting to pick the speed up a little bit now. Going up the creek. Alright fellas, now I brought one of my other Derbies in here, and we're going to brace them up. And we're going to let them run brace for about 30 minutes. And then I'm going to pick the original dog up and then let this last Derby run solo for a little while. I'm just trying to do a little mix of Derby and a little mix of solo and bracing this morning. So the action's gonna be a little slower. We slow them down when we solo and brace them, but it's something we need to do to get them ready. So we'll just see how to go. The rabbit's done turned on them in this little head right here. No, they found him. I think he's come back out and went back down this road back here. But I'll be back with you in a minute. Alright. They got him through that old branch there. Now they headed up the branch with him. Get around here and see if they'll push him out across this road. The second one that I put down there, he's a July 2012 birth date. He's at a Star Kennels originally, and he is a Star Southern Truck, Star Lady Pearl, and which has got a lot of Bodine, Lady Bear. There's a lot of bear breeding in that line. Some of it goes back to Star Hay Baby and some of that stuff. So he's a well-bred dog as well. Runs real close and clean. Probably my 4 Derbies, and this second one I put down probably has the least foot of the 4. So we're hoping that he'll continue to pick up his foot. He's got an awesome nose and a ton of hunt, and so we're hoping that he'll just gain a little bit more foot, and he'll be real strong. They're running pretty good right now up this creek. Come on, boys, work it out in there. We was on the cottontail, but I ain't too sure that cottontail didn't take them down there and put them off on the swamper in this creek bottom. I'm gonna cut it back on until they can bring him out towards the hill. Alright, they've went across the creek, back across the creek. Now they're gonna skirt up this edge right here. Hoping to get a good shot of them in here working, but I don't know. They're going back up the creek again. Alright fellas, we've put hook up, and I went and got out, I still got General down, the second dog from a while ago, but I went and got a fresh dog. Now we got Brewster down. He, August 2012 birth date. He is high demand on top and bottom, star high demand, and so let's just see how they're gonna do a little bit here and get them warmed up. I got them off on a different rabbit. We had that last group had got off on a swamper, so I got them out of the creek and got them back up here on the hill. And I think they're fixing to get us a cottontail running here, I hope. So I'll cut it back on once we get going. Here we went. Alright, now fellas, I got 3 derbies down. They're coming to the road right here. Right, my third derby down is another pearl male out of Southern Truck, Lady Pearl. He's got a little more foot than the first one I had down, so I've got 3 down now. I'll probably catch one of these up in just a minute. I just wanted to put a little more pressure on the rabbit and see if we could get them to move, because they just been kind of staying in the same spot, so we're trying to move this rabbit out some. So see if we can get us a good shot of these dogs working here. Running down at the fence. I'll cut back off. I think he's gonna go to the field. Let me get to the field. Bearing down on us right here. Guys, we still got these 3 down. See if we can get them across here. Got 2 of mine and one of Mr. Orvan's. Alright, fellas, rabbit just come right through here. Right out here. May get across this road right here on us, but wonder if he's gonna get across down there. Yep, there he goes. Hopping down the middle. Well, for a cottontail, he zigged and zagged up through there, didn't he? Yeah, trying to lose him. Yeah.